Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best transfer credit cards of 2024. So, let's go. If you're looking to manage your existing credit card debt, balance transfer credit cards can be a powerful tool. In 2024, several options stand out for their generous introductory offers, low fees, and valuable rewards. Whether you're seeking a long 0% APR period or attractive cashback incentives, these cards can help you regain control of your finances. Here are 5 of the best balance transfer credit cards to consider this year. First is Citi Simplicity Card. The Citi Simplicity Card stands out for its impressive 21-month introductory 0% APR on both balance transfers and purchases, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage existing debt. With no annual fee, late fees, or penalty rates, this card offers a straightforward approach to credit. The only cost associated with transferring a balance is a 3% fee for transfers completed within the first 4 hours. This card is particularly appealing for individuals who want to consolidate debt without the worry of incurring additional charges. Additionally, the simplicity of the card's features means you can focus on paying down your balance rather than navigating complex terms. Overall, the Citi Simply card is a reliable option for anyone seeking a hassle-free way to manage their finances. Next on the list is Wells Fargo Reflect Card. The Wells Fargo Reflect card is a solid choice for those seeking a lengthier introductory period, offering up to 21 months of 0% APR on balance transfers and purchases. This feature allows cardholders ample time to pay off their debt without accruing interest, making it easier to regain financial stability. The card does come with a 5% balance transfer fee, but the benefits outweighs this cost for many users. Additionally, the Wells Fargo Reflect card includes valuable perks such as cell phone protection and roadside assistance, enhancing its appeal. With no annual fee, this card is designed for individuals who want to simplify their financial management while enjoying added security and convenience. Overall, the Wells Fargo Reflect card combines long-term savings with useful features, making it a standout option in the balance transfer category. Next is the Chase Late Edge. The Chase Late Edge card offers an attractive 18-month 0% introductory APR on balance transfers and purchases, making it an excellent option for those looking to consolidate debt. A unique feature of this card is its potential for an automatic 2% APR reduction if you make timely payments and spend at least $1,000 in the first year. This encourages responsible credit use while providing significant savings. Additionally, the card includes automatic credit limit increase reviews, allowing cardholders to potentially enhance their credit limits over time. With no annual fee, the Chase Late Edge card is designed for individuals who want to manage their finances effectively while enjoying the benefits of a flexible credit card. Its combination of features and incentives makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to take control of their financial situation. Next is Discover It Balance Transfer. The Discover It Balance Transfer card is a versatile option that offers an 18-month 0% introductory APR on balance transfers, allowing users to pay off existing debt without incurring interest. Following the introductory period, the variable APR ranges from 16.24% to 27.24% depending on creditworthiness. One of the standout features of this card is its cashback rewards program, which offers 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories and 1% on all other purchases. Discover also provides a unique benefit. They will match all the cashback earned in the first year, effectively doubling your rewards. With no annual fee, the Discover It Balance Transfer Card is ideal for those looking to save on interest while earning rewards. Its combination of financial flexibility and cashback potential makes it a popular choice among consumers. And finally, we have Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card is an appealing option for those seeking a balanced transfer card that also offers generous cashback rewards. With a 0% introductory APR for 15 months on balance transfers, this card allows users to pay down debt without the burden of interest. After the introductory period, the variable APR ranges from 19.24% to 29.24%. The card stands out for its robust rewards structure, offering 3% cashback on dining and entertainment, 2% at grocery stores, and 1% on all other purchases. This makes it an excellent choice for frequent diners and shoppers. Additionally, there is no annual fee, making it accessible for a wide range of consumers. Overall, the Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card combines the benefits of a balance transfer card with a rewarding cashback program, making it a versatile financial tool. Choosing the right balance transfer credit card can significantly impact your financial health by reducing interest costs and helping you pay down debt more effectively. The options highlighted above offer a mix of long introductory periods, low fees, and rewarding benefits, catering to various financial needs. By selecting a card that aligns with your goals, you can take a proactive step towards financial stability and freedom. Evaluate your options carefully and make an informed decision. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.